up everyone, we are back at the 1.5, the air leak from yesterday. I'm going to do a part 2 and it might even be a part 3 here. So I've got the inlet manifold off the engine, as you can see, neat with the housekeeping. I normally put a bit of blue roll in all the open holes. I don't want anything nasty getting into there, but this is the inlet manifold. The reason I'm showing you this is we don't very often get to see the 1.5s because they're not a bad engine, like I said. So this is a better view of the bit that snapped off. So that's it. So that's causing a hole, an air leak in the manifold that goes to the brake servo pipe. So wanted to show you, and if I can get the camera in, just a little bit to show you the inlet valves. Now they're not looking the best, I'll be honest. Let's see if I can get you. Alright, so torch in there. Let's have a look. So they're not the worst, not at all. I'm trying to get you the best sort of view. They're not the worst. There's a little bit of crap on them, but they're not the worst. This one's done quite a few miles. It's about 40-50k, something like that. But anyway, we'll pop that back in the hole just so we're nice and protected. So I'm waiting for the inlet manifold. That should be with me tomorrow morning, so we can get to building the engine back up. I've got a couple of bits here. So these are just pipes that go onto the various parts we do have, and there's your throttle valve there. So it's not looking too bad. They're not the worst job in the world to do at all. So this is your part 2, and like I say, stay tuned for part 3. We're hopefully going to bolt the new inlet back on. Thanks very much, guys. Catch you in a bit.